returning to the garden after being gone for so long and being in the house, and you're just looking outside. And the pest has been going crazy on your plants. Look at that. All in there. See all of that? Some very big, beautiful tomatoes, right? Yeah. Now, I'm not trying to stay out here too long. We are expecting a few days of rain, 3 days to be exact, of rain. So I'm just trying to get as much of these. These are my Amish paste tomatoes. And I'm just going to remove all of them because they're pretty much giving out all of their fruits that they're going to give, because determinants are they produce one time and that's it. So this has been eaten. So even the green ones I am going to remove as well. And cut that off. If there's nothing inside of it, it will be fine. And go to the other side. Oh no. And these are the Keystone sweet peppers. They're usually a lot bigger than this, but for the fact that I did not take care of them, they're not bigger. So I'm just removing and what I can, because these peppers will continue to grow. They will continue to grow until the frost comes and kills them. At this point, I had to put my mask on because I started sneezing and coughing. My allergies started acting up. And so it was time for me to go in, but I was determined to get these peppers off of here because a lot of the peppers you can see on the ground They fell off, they're on the ground, they rotted away. And I'm trying to get as much off as possible because you can also see that I still have blossoms on my pepper plants, which they're going to continue to grow until the frost comes and kill them off. But I just need to get them off because I wanted to save as much as possible. And I'm going to show you guys at the end where I place them so that they can start to, they can ripen inside instead of, which would be perfect for them to ripen on the plant itself. But I couldn't run the risk of, God forbid, I get sick again and I won't be able to get to them. So I just brought them in. I picked the green ones, picked the ones that were blushing, that were turning colors, and everything else. The second sowing of the corn, and I have no doubt that it would have done great if I had maintained it. But we can definitely check and see what we have here. And that's what we have. Picked it just a little bit too soon. And just leave the rest of it there. Now, these cherry tomatoes, it's a lot of cherry tomatoes, and they're wonderful for snacking. But a lot of these I will be dehydrating and turn it into tomato powder. There's a hornworm here. The hornworms have even managed to make it onto my tiny tim in my green stock. And look how nice and fat it got off of eating off of my produce. And it won't come off. That's one. And right next to it, there's another one. Right here. Right there. I'm sorry. Right there. Cayenne peppers. And a lot of them fell on the ground. And a lot of them are drying out on the plant. Okra. And this is the spineless okra. This is too big and is woody. So this will be safe for seeds. Okra will continue to grow until they stop growing. And you see how when I cut it, look, you see in there how that is? That's very woody. It's no good. You don't want them this big. So I'm going to remove all of the large okra like this and put them aside, dry them out, and save the seeds. Now this one is good. I will eat this fresh. This will be a nice snack. We're back inside of the house. This is the garage. I purchased this foldable table. I guess they call it like a card table at a estate sale for $5. I love a deal. And I'm just going to lay all of the peppers and tomatoes that were green on the table and allow them to ripen in the garage. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for your continued support, and thank you for allowing me to have some time to just heal myself and get back into doing some things that I love, like being in the garden and harvesting, and looking forward to preserving the harvest as well. Thank you so much. I have to jump into something else, start my fall garden now. So I will see you in the next video. But I'm taking it easy. I'm doing a little outside, and then I'm coming inside and doing a little bit and giving my body the rest that it needs. Guys, thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.